Hi, I'm Lachlan from Kashi, and today I'm going to show you how to change the wipers on most European cars. We've picked up this set of XL Wipe front wipers for my personal Fiat, though you can find whatever suits at your local parts store. When you're ready to fit the wipers, gently lift the arm, find the button on top, push it in, and wiggle the wiper free. Make sure not to let the arm hit back on the glass, as I have seen windshields break doing that. Installing the wiper is the exact opposite of removing it. So just lift the arm up and slide it back in until it clips into place. Finally, you need to make sure that the wiper fits fairly by wriggling it and making sure there's no excess movement, and then remove any plastic protection that might be covering the blade itself. You can repeat all of these steps on the other side to make sure that you replace the pair. That's how to change the wipers on most European cars. Thanks again, I'm Lachlan from Kashi.